Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just want to start off by saying thank you for helping me reach my goal of 400 subscribers. In this video, we had such a gorgeous weekend that we could not pass up the opportunity to go on a little adventure. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and please consider subscribing if you have not already. So after driving this road for a bit, we decided to turn around. A few months back, we had severe rain that did a lot of damage to the local mountains all the way into the farmland. Things seemed to be getting worse the farther we drove. The cliffside had a lot washed away and we could not tell if it had undercut the road. The hillside had lots of unstable rock and some had already come down onto the main road. Of course, we didn't want to risk anything, so we did what we thought was safest. What are you up to?
Well, first of all, took my finger out. Lost the other one the other day. Losing another one now.
Here we go. Oh great. This holy smokes.
Boom.
Oh, one last boom. Whoa. Daddy did that. Whoa. All right, camp is all set up. Day camp. The fire going, kind of. It's getting there. Beautiful view. Kids are playing. Perfect little spot tucked away.
Also, we have to put some more wood in.
Want to put some more wood on? Just put a couple pieces, okay? Good work, bud.
That?
Yeah. How about you come on this side and the smoke won't get you? Yep. Good job. And how about one more this way? Hey, T?
Which way?
This way? Perfect. Do you want to add one more? What do you think?
Yeah. Useful piece of work.
Good work, buddy.
Here we go. Let's see where this little trail here goes. Nice big trees. Nice little forest. Beautiful mountain view through that way. Watch your step there, little tiger. Don't want to fall with no pants on. Skin your knees up. Look at this big view, huh? Don't fall over the edge, Art. Steep cliff, eh? Wow. What's all this?
You want to do this? Poop bag out.
You got a fruit pack out?
Yeah.
Nice lunchbox, eh?
Poop bag out.
Nice little river creek going on there. Uh-oh. Dodge on the side of the road.
He's selling logs.
Just kidding. He's finding firewood somewhere here. You can hear him. There it is. Totally redone this road here too. The whole bank washed out. That was all trees along here before.
Wow.
That's crazy. Wow.
I guess they're all stacked up at the bridge down below there where we've seen all that windfall.
Yeah. That's crazy. Hey, something funny?
You better watch it.
Did we get Daddy?
You have to change my diaper for me.
Oh. Was that so funny?
Yes. Yeah, big boy.
He's still laughing at it. Say we got you, Daddy.
Daddy.
Well, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll catch you next time.